Soy arena, oh so bright. Baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire, burning high. Feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like star.
Okay, so today Papa is making cold noodle. Mama.
I'm cooking for you guys.
Wow, we should
That
be
that
eating on top of the
that gives me immense pleasure.
Okay.
All pleasure's mine. So first, come with me, baby. Come with me. First, whenever you cook, you gotta wash your hands. You gotta wash your hands like this. You gotta put some Dettol. You're gonna wash your hands properly. Your thumbs. You gotta twist your wrist. And you gotta wiggle your fingers. Wiggle. Yeah, that's how you make a cold noodle. And you gotta wash it. And gotta clean yourself first. Okay. Swallow. Okay, I need a big bowl.
What do you want?
I feel like I'm a celebrity chef. You know, you guys are like pressurizing me too much by bringing on
what do you want?
3-4 cameras in front of me. Okay, the noodle sets perfectly. Give me a bowl. I need a big bowl.
The chicken you boil the chicken,
No, that's too small for me. That's a pretty small bowl. Oh, can you please wash it? Disgusting.
Rinse it.
Huh? What is it? Could you please? No. You She's such a headache. Okay, this is how we do it. Yes. Salt in there. Pink salt. And
It's white salt.
oh my god. Cheers to liver. This is called damaging liver.
यतिको चाहिँ रिच हुनुपर्छ क्या यसो त अम्बानीले पनि गर्दैन होला
Usha हुन्छ बिमा उमाल्नु छ त उमाल्नु खान्छ
तिमीहरू खाऊ न पल्किन्छ नभए. Then this is a special achar. Timur chop. NMU Timur chop. के भयो रे? के भयो? उहाँलाई देखाइ के भन्नुभयो तपाईले? अझै
प्लिज क्यामेरामा भनिदिनुस् न
पुरा अचार.
पुरा अचार. के भयो पुरा अचार? अचार के भयो? बिसी भयो?
तपाईलाई
नखाऊ न अन्त.
वाउ स्मेल्स नाइस
How's this? How's this?
Wow, dummy.
How's this? How's this, mama?
Yeah, nice.
How's this, honey? Whatever you eat, you gotta feel it by your nose first. You know? Oh my god. 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 Then you gotta
Lightening.
Digam चाहिँ पोर्खो अछि यो लौ
लिलो त लिलो रे के
तेल मैले बनायो
हैन तर तिमी एक खेप बनाएर
यसमै खाउला हामी सबै
छाया ओनेला त
नो नो नो
यो त कोल्ड नुडल मार्ता
Yes, it's not Korean. It's Chinese.
All this while I thought it was Korean, you know, naengmyeon.
No, it's like jjajangmyeon.
아마
It's called jjajangmyeon.
Jjajangmyeon.
No, it's jjajangmyeon in China. We say jjajangmyeon. It. How is it, guys?
but it's very
Spicy? Huh?
No, not spicy.
Not spicy? Shiva? Can you taste it?
Not spicy, no?
No, not spicy.
No, it's not spicy. I think it's.
Medium.
Can you give me some Diet Coke, please, honey?
Please, deep chida.
Chance na liya na फेरि तिमी.
Bro, chef ko लागि.
Hey, Junior.
Chef.
Come on. Come on, bring it on. Bring it on.
See this magic.
So you got no, eh, no magic. No magic.
Salt bay there.
So big.
Salt Bay.
Bay.
Salt Bay. When I was in Alabama, I taught him this. Can you please give me some chopsticks? Jiggle it. Jiggle, jiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Jiggle, jiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Can you feel it?
Smell it.
I feel like I'm in heaven.
Yes. This is amazing. Amazing. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow.
My chef. Too much rice.
This is how you do it.
I think you should make scrambled. I think Papa is making scrambled.
Now what we gotta do is, we gotta throw some water to evaporate it.
Now you get it.
Whoa!
This is how we do it.
Ma, nga to normal.
Dip in!
Deep in are tum.
Attack!
Dig in, oh, dig in.
Attack!
Babies!
sure you should have said it.
Make up the...
Okay, come. Yeah.
I love this cool noodles Papa makes.
Are you a big fan?
I am.
Hey guys, zona mala.
Egg number.
Oh, I'm not you should have done that.
You chicken
Aja, can you come to my sports?
Yeah.
Because we'll win the relay.
भाई क्या बनाए यार कसम से मजा आ गया
ले दो, ले दो.
ऐसा ऐसा नूडल तो भाई मुंह में पानी आ गया देखो
खाइए खाइए.
लेकिन भाई इतने खाऊंगा ज्यादा नहीं
पहले ये खा ली उसके बाद दे ले जा.
बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया
टेस्ट माची नहीं बढ़िया लगी तो खाने रहने.
टेस्ट किया था तो आगे इसलिए तो लेने आया मैं
हेलो गाइस, आज मैं तो ब्लॉग के माध्यम से मैं आप सभी से कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. वैसे मुझे ब्लॉग बनाने में इतना दिलचस्पी तो इतना नहीं है जिससे मेरी श्रीमती कह रही है कि मुझे बहुत दिलचस्पी है इसमें. But I'm not somebody who loves making vlog. Excuse me.
नजर बट्टू ले देता कि मैं
हाँ हो गया.
नजर बट्टू
क्या है?
आज मेरी बीवी बहुत ही सुंदर दिख रही है. माशाअल्लाह.
किस में?
एक शेर याद आ गया आपके लिए
फेसबुक में?
यूट्यूब पे
कि चांद में भी तो दाग होते हैं. चांद में भी तो दाग होते हैं. तुम क्या चीज हो किसी को पता ही नहीं है.
ये उसका अभी एडिक्शन हो गया.
बस
अच्छे ने अच्छा कहा,
जूस तो है ना तक
बुरे ने बुरा कहा.
हाँ.
अच्छों ने अच्छा कहा, बुरों ने बुरा ही कहा. जितनों ने मुझे जितना समझा उतना ही मुझे जाना. कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
मला ऍक्टिंग हे आपण दोन्ही सांग ना.
खुदाफिज.
पिक्चर क्रिकेट येतो हे आपण